Feel like I never had it, but I keep it in the attic. Adding up all of these commas, playing around with mathematics. We talk about the team, but I know you never had it. I need a winter storm on a new paddock. Shit is asthmatic. I ain't stopped the chest, I inclined the press. I know these motherfuckers that is up next. It's me, I got the D on my chest. Superhero motherfucker with a bulletproof vest. Mobbing around on the town. Shawty wanna ride, so you know it's going down. And I'm knocking some knuckles, these South boys, it don't look right. I put the Kimber down if you wanna fist fight. I'm fresh to death, I look so clean. I chef you up like Paladin. Hey, school you suckers like a Harvard team.
Where was that at?
I just ordered it. And it came with it. Let's go, boys. The fuck yeah, boy.
Here we go, boys.
Alright. You ready?
Yep.
So what we're doing today, a little bit of steelhead fishing with the boys over here. We got some roe we cured up. We're gonna go try to get steelhead. It's a little early, but why not?
Killer.
So what I'm using is a 3500 series Fluger President, and then I got the Guide Select Pro. I think this is 9.6.
Like a ghost, it's hocus pocus, strapping, seatbelt, make it fast and passion, always everlasting. So, right around you.
Fuck yeah.
Come on now, boys.
Scissors. Where are they?
Did it clump together good?
Oh yeah.
Good enough to stay on here?
Oh yeah. Just gotta find it. There we go.
Look at that. Look at that. Fucking ready, bud. Ready to fucking fish, bait. Look how good that looks. Funk and shit.
Right?
Yeah.
Let's get some pre-cut bait. Set out over here. Oh, juicy. Oh, yeah. Nice and juicy. That does. Definitely getting hit by trout. I'm definitely getting hit by trout.
You know, it would slay those trout, some hardware.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you ever get tired of that, Levy D, throw a Panther Martin on.
No.
No. I got people who see this are gonna think I'm lame because I use gloves. But you know what? I don't like pink all over me. Not a fan.
Don't stop hustling. Because we love catching fish.
Lots of little trout biting it. I can feel them. Damn, they keep destroying it. Good job, Levy. Levy D's got a little fish. Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about, baby!
Let's try this again. Again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Until you just can't do it anymore.
Not too much luck over there.
Not too much. So we're gonna try this little section right here.
Just want to see it kind of slow. Throw a little bit of that in there. We'll see what happens.
Oh.
I know, I'm about to take my jacket off.
It's getting toasty. Oh, juicy, juicy, juicy. Felt like one right there. I don't know what it was. Felt like fish, but they all feel like fish. Probably. Kind of thinking about that too.
That's not a uncommon thing. I thought it was very, I can't say it. I didn't know.
Uncommon.
Yeah. So
What?
many people can sit crisscross applesauce. You can't?
Yeah, I could sit crisscross applesauce.
Fuck, we all know you can, buddy. You can't even. We all know you can, shitty.
Well, fuck.
I can't even sit down with my legs like that. My hips won't let me.
Really?
Yeah, right here. You can't. It's too tight. I won't do it.
Yeah, I can almost put my. I can put
That's as far as I can lift my leg up.
I can put my leg behind my head.
I can touch my toes though.
Really?
Yeah. Who's this Cracker Jack?
You can't touch your toes.
Shut the fuck up. You can't touch your toes?
Oh, Joel, you love to touch your toes, huh?
Like, yeah.
Okay, we were back at the house. Kept having this row fall off. I'm still kind of learning how to do this whole process, but I have these spawn sacks. I'm gonna put them in here and tie them off, and then go back out. So we just took a little pit stop. Now we're gonna take care of this, get these all tied up, and get back on the river.
Something's hitting it. Big and juicy. All right, let's try this out again. Boom. Oh, that was deep. All right, big steelhead. Go ahead whenever you want. I'm over here, just waiting. There it is. There it is. Woo! Row? Yeah.
Oh yeah. On the road. Catching the fish off of a fish we already caught. That's OG as fuck.
It's not fighting as bad as the other one. Oh. My bad. This is definitely not a steelhead.
Who's winning that contest?
It better be me.
You look like you are.
Thank you. Damn. Oh yeah, I got it all on the GoPro.
There you go.
Woo! At least I drag.
You gonna back around up on the truck?
Yeah. Woo! Oh my God, is that steelhead?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Look at that thing. It's a big.
Let's fucking go.
Get it. Back around. There you go. Nice.
Beer, get in there. Woo! Oh!
She's a tank.
Yeah, that is a beauty.
That's a pig, bro. Are you shaking or what?
Oh my God. Yeah, let's go. Mission accomplished.
Dude, fucking A.
Holy shit. Hello everyone. So just to kind of wrap up that video again on the steelhead trip, man, what a day it was. It was so cool to go out there and catch that steelhead. And something that everyone needs to realize too is it's a grind to catch steelhead sometimes. And specifically right now, I guess it's not super popular yet with the activity of the steelhead. And winter steelhead's coming up, and there will be a good amount of big fish, and hopefully we can get some really cool content for that. I have a couple guides lined up with my buddy Jake, and he has a guide service here in my area, and we go out and we've put some pretty good fish on the boat too. So I'm looking forward to those trips that I have booked, and everyone else can see how we do on those trips. But that was one of the very few times I've actually went out solo by myself. Well, I had my buddies with me, but first time I went out without a guide and was able to catch a pretty good sized steelhead. I've gone before, but I did catch one before, but it wasn't very big. But anyways, so that was a really good day though. We had a really productive day, and even though we caught one, man, it felt good to do that. And it felt good to take what I've been learning about the river and with that species of fish and apply it and then catch a fish on it. So it was really great, and I feel really good about that, and I'm glad I got it on video and I was able to show you guys. But yeah, earlier in the day it kind of started off as a grind, and later in the day we prevailed. Tried a different spot out. That first spot wasn't working out too good. It looked great, it looked like a fishy area, and it looked like we were gonna do pretty decent on it, but it just didn't pan out. So we went to that next spot, and that's when it happened. Another thing too is when you're bouncing for steelhead on the bottom like that, you really want to have a good rod, which is what I have. I have a decent rod, but the way that they bite, I'm still kind of learning that bite. It's not like when you're trout fishing, you know, and something comes up and boom, 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 and it just hits the rod. It kind of feels almost like it's still ticking along the bottom, and then it almost, the way I could describe it is kind of a spongy feeling, and the rod just slowly loads up. And I could tell on the video that when the rod was loading up, but I wanted to wait just in case to make sure before I set the hook, because every time you set the hook like that, you're ripping all that bait off of your hook, and it doesn't stick on there that great. And when you set the hook on a decent sized fish, you really want to put some meat on it. So I kind of waited, and then you could see that rod tip loads up, and then it just jerked really hard. He made it obvious for me, so that was great. And that fish, I'm so grateful I was able to catch him, because he made it obvious that he was on there. And then my rod tip, just set the hook on it, and he was on. And man, what a good fight. And in the beginning I thought it was a salmon because it was just dogging so hard, but I should have realized right off the gate he just ran, and the drag just screamed. And my drag was already set pretty tight and I knew that it needed to be even more loose halfway through the fight. So you could see me kind of adjusting it slightly, but yeah, that was just one hell of a fight, and I'm so glad I got it on video and everyone was able to see that. I'm looking forward to showing you guys the next video we have lined up, because man, we had a good day and it was tough the first half of the day, and the second half of the day was absolutely epic. So check out that next video when it comes out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, fuck. Let's go!
Holy shit!